Pocket option auto trader can trade anything, and in this video I will show you how it's trading on stocks. I will choose Tesla and let's see how good trades it will take. If you find this type of videos interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. And if you want to have this binary option robot completely for free, just use the link to the find below the video and you also get started today. Now let's start up the bot and let's see how we do. Did you see that? He did go down all the time. The bot was waiting till the perfect moment where the market had a small adjustment and did go up. This is what you get by using this binary option robot on Pocket Option. He find the perfect entries. You see the market is going down, 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 down. He was waiting and then go in. Of course he could down a sell trade also, but just so you see when he did take the trade was perfect. So there you see, one trade, $459. What can I say? So if you want to have this binary option robot yourself completely for free, just use the link that you find below the video and you also can get started today. Have an amazing day.